Alphabet Castle. Alphabet Castle. A, B, C.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une tot.
Tom.
And Tiny.
We're the Tots on Tots TV. 1, 2, 3. Don't go away. The Tots are on next.
Sac magie. Deux,
2.
trois,
Tots TV. I'm a tot.
je suis une tot.
Tom.
And Tiny.
We're the Tots on Tots TV. 1, 2, 3. Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
Allez, viens.
Tom, you see what I'm doing?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Tiny.
Yeah.
Can I have a go at that?
Yeah, Tom, in a minute. I've just got to finish this bit here and then you can have a go, alright?
All right.
Right.
Les ballons. Alors, le ballon... Oh, le ballon vert. Voilà. Oui.
Tom, don't do that.
Sorry.
Tom,
What?
don't do that.
It's a funny noise, though, isn't it?
I know. It's quite funny.
Funny old noise.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
I might know another funny noise.
Really? What?
Shall I show you?
Go on then.
Ready?
Yeah.
Right.
Tom, that is such a funny noise.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Shall I do it again?
Yeah, do it again, do
Right.
it again.
Here we go.
It's all splashing, bubbling.
Yeah, it's brilliant. I like that.
Yeah.
Tiny,
Yeah.
I've got a brilliant idea.
Yeah.
You know Tilly?
Yeah.
Let's phone her.
Oh, yeah, and then she could hear all our funny noises.
Here we go.
Go on, phone her,
Right,
go on.
what's the number? Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C'est Tilly à l'appareil. Bonjour.
Tilly, hello.
Oh, bonjour, Tom.
We've got some lovely funny noises for you.
Yeah.
Would you like to hear them?
D'accord.
Right, here we go. Here is Tiny's funny noise.
Right,
Tiny.
ready?
C'est drôle. Oui. Oui.
We've got another really funny noise.
Yeah.
Do you want to hear that one?
D'accord.
Right, ready?
Oui.
1, 2, Bye, Tilly.
Bye, Tilly.
She liked that.
Oh, j'ai une idée. Oui. Le ballon bleu. Voilà. Voilà. Alors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tom speaking.
Allô, Tom, c'est Tilly à l'appareil.
Oh, hello, Tilly.
Vous voulez entendre des bruits drôles?
Tilly wants to know if you want to hear another funny noise.
Oh, yeah. I'd really like to hear another funny noise.
Tilly?
Oui.
Yes, please, we would.
D'accord. Écoutez.
Listen up.
Yeah, listening.
Vous aimez?
Yeah, we like that.
We like it.
Yeah, we love that. It's brilliant. Hey, Tilly.
Oui.
Come out here a minute. I've got a brilliant idea.
D'accord.
Tilly, I'm Tom.
Voilà, je suis prête.
Brilliant. You ready, Tilly?
Oui.
Yeah, I'm ready to.
Good. Right then, Donkey, for your entertainment, we present the wonderful, the brilliant, funny noise top band! 1, 2, 3.
And all together now. Can't do it, don't thank you very much, Donkey.
You like that, Donkey? Funny noise band.
Don't forget, the Tots will be back on Monday at 3:30.
Your eyes, there's always something new to see. When you're gliding through the galaxy, there's always a surprise. So why don't you fly with me? Astro fun, it's a very special place.